Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. This is Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. E. This morning we made cheese blintzes for breakfast. It's not very good for you, but it's undeniably delicious. Here we go!
We're going to take ricotta cheese and put it in a small bowl. And we're going to mix in an egg, sugar, vanilla extract, just a capful, and some orange zest. And we're going to mix it all up. Okay, it's ready. Let's make our bundt wrappers, which are basically just crepes. We're going to take flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt and put them in this nice bowl which has a pour spout, which makes it easy to meter out the batter into our hot pan. And we got some eggs and some milk. We whisk it all together until it's nice and smooth. It should be fairly liquid. Here's my favorite pan for making crepes. It has a low side and it's just the right size. We're going to pour in just the right amount of batter, and then we're going to give it a little swirl around to cover the bottom of the pan. And then we're just going to let it cook. And when the top is done, we're going to flip it over and do the other side quickly, and then slide it out of the pan onto a plate.
While Mr. E is making crepes, I'm going to start filling the blintzes. It takes about 2 tablespoons of the cheese mixture per blintz. Then I fold it up. And flip it over.
This recipe makes 6 blintzes altogether. Now I'm going to take that pan and I'm going to pour in about 1/4 inch of oil and let it get good and hot. And then I'm going to lay the blintzes down in the hot oil and deep fry them in the pan until they're crispy. It just takes a few seconds on each side. It helps hold the blintz together and keep it from falling apart, and it cooks the filling some. As soon as one side is nice and brown, we'll flip it over. Careful, because that oil is really hot. When they're done on both sides, I'm going to take them out and put them on some paper towel to drain.
Here they are, Mr. E's Bobby's blintzes, with a nice dollop of our homemade jam on top. Tov ma'od. Thanks for watching. 谢谢观看，下期再见，Shalom。